Rascal's new toy, the fashionista fish. She likes it. I made it girly for her. Looks almost like a dress. Rascal, you like your scratcher? She's been now eating kibble, Kitten Chow, since Saturday. Hasn't grasped this whole water dish thing yet, so she's still eating a bottle. But she's been very active and playful, and I had to put her back in her cage today because she was biting too much. But anyway, she's very healthy. She's done with her antibiotics, and as you can see, playing very crazily.